Major and minor decisions. In major and minor decision, the first comes degree of futurity, uh, degree of validity of decision. In this one, what happen in future? In future, what happen when a company or when an organization is working, they have to plan out for the future. So decision also make lot of a difference. Some decisions are there which are minor, which some decisions are there which are major. In the major decisions like replacement of men by machinery, it is a very a major decision which has to be taken very carefully, and this require lot of ideas. It require lot of planning, and lot of amount of money it is required. So these are the major decisions which has to be taken very fast. And some decisions like minor decision where shifting of a raw material from one place to another firm, these are all minor decisions, can be taken without affecting the organization or the firms. Second is impact of the decision on other functional area. See what happened, for example, a decisions taken a decision, some decisions are there which affects only that department, or it affects only that area. If you take a decision, if you take a decision, a major decision which might affect other department also, it should be very carefully, with the good judgment and experience, that decision has to be taken. For example, accountant, he wants to change his ledger or record from books to computer. That decision is very good, and it will not affect anyone, it is not going to affect anyone. But if he is going to make any changes, such changes regarding about the profit loss and overhead calculation, salaries, if some changes, major or minor changes is going to make, it is going to affect the other department also. That it's going to affect the other department. Thus those things are major decisions. And some another third one decision, in this one what happen, every organization has some principles. It is work on some objectives, work as per their objectives. So what happen, if something happens, for example, an inspector comes, any inspector, that is for checking, if it comes and if it demands any amount, that is called as corruption, that we can call it as a corruption, or if it demands any some amount for the verification, that company sometime what happen, it never gives, they never give. That is their their policy, and that is the entire decision which they take. So now there are many decisions which has to be taken. Some decisions are major, some decisions are minor. Individual and group decisions, the decision are taken by individuals also, and it is taken by the group decision also. If you take by the individual, that problem, the decision which is taken by the individual, that is a routine nature, it doesn't require so much thinking and so much waste of a time, it can be taken very fast. But whereas if you take a group decision, it takes a lot of a time. Organization, when a group decision in organization, when a group decision take place, then that time what happen, it takes prolong, and lot of things come out from the discussion. And in the group discussion, there are managers of different departments, they come together and they put their opinion and view regarding the particular thing. For example, if you want to change the price of any product, then they call all the managers of the department, and they put up their own views and ideas. So there are many type of discussion in group discussion also. Sometime what happen is that it is like a democratic, where all has right to speak regarding that matter, and it will be considered. If it is good for the organization firm, that opinion will be considered very fast. Another method in this one, it is called as devil advocacy. In this devil advocacy, they what they will do, they will nominate a person, they will nominate a person, and they will be managers who will be going on discussing the things. In that one, what happened, whatever the decision or whatever the suggestion is given by the manager, that person who is nominated to check the decision, he will try to criticize and try to check whether the suggestion or decision is good or bad in this one. So there are advantage of a group discussion also, like increase acceptances by those affected. In this one, members will be having different ideas, so many ideas, you can have many ideas in this matter. Easy coordination, the coordination, if group decision is there, this group will coordinate easy and try to solve the problem as quick as possible. Communication between each other also will become easy in this one, and you get more information regarding the problems, regarding the solutions. There are many disadvantages also. Group discussion take longer time. When a group discussion take place, they will not come to the result, it will take a lot of time. Group, and what happen, it can be, they cannot, sometime what happen, the meeting what they take place, it never finishes in one day, it will take longer time. Lack of information data, again the time will be, so it is a some, you are wasting some time also in this one. And domination also will be there, who is having the highest post, he will dominate the group. So this type of advantage as well as disadvantage both are there in the group discussion. Simple and complex decision, there are many simple and complex decisions, so they are divided into four types. The first type, decision in which the problem is simple, a problem is very simple, the outcome has a high degree of certainty, that this type of decision, it is called as a routine decision, and where they operate on standard procedures. Okay, in this second one, decision in which problem is simple, problem are very simple, but the outcome is of not, it is of very low degree of a certain. Here what happen, problem is simple, but the outcome what happen, it is a very low, that is, it is called a judgmental decision, it is not a wisdom decision, it is a judgmental, based on your experience you are giving the judgment, you are giving the judgment. This will happen in the areas like marketing, investment, and in this area, what this type of decision take place. For example, marketing manager, a new product has come, he has a many ideas, he has a many way to sell the product, but he is not sure what will be the outcome, whether it is going to get sold or not. So depend upon decision, the things will take place. Next is third point is decision in which the problem is complex but the outcome has a high degree of certainty. In this one, it is a call as analytical decisions. In this area, this type of decision is taken in the production area, where computational technique is used, linear programming is used, network analysis, all type of decision, all type of algorithms, or all type of decisions they have done to know what is the production, how the production can be increased, what are the reason for the failure of the production, how they can promote, make the production product more good for the market. This are the third, this is the one decision. Next, fourth decision, in which a problem is complex and the outcome is of low degree, this is called as adaptive decision. Here this decision, what happens in the change in the corporate policies, if there is a corporate, sometimes they will change the corporate policies, they changes the technology, why, to adopt to the new environment. This type of decision has to be taken. Here the people required are, they should be from technical background to do all the things or to take the decisions.